How to convert a UTC datetime to a local datetime using only standard library. I have a Python datetime instance that was created using datetime.no and persisted in database. For display, I would like to convert the datetime instance retrieved from the database to local datetime using the default local time zone, i.e., as if the datetime was created using datetime.now. How can I convert the UTC datetime to a local datetime using only Python standard library, example, no pytz dependency? It seems one solution would be to use datetime.timezone, TZ, but how would you get the default local time zone?
Since Python 3.9, you can use the zone info module. First, let's get that time with UTNO. Then create the time zones. Then convert. To convert between time zones, the datetime must know what time zone it is in. Then we just use a timezone. For Python 3.6 to 3.8, you need the backports.zoneinfo module. The rest is the same. For versions earlier than that need pytz or detool. Detool works similar to zoneinfo. Pytz has a different interface, which is a result of Python's time zone handling not handling ambiguous times.
In Python 3.3+. In Python 2 of 3. Using pytz, both Python February 3rd. Example. Output. Note, it takes into account DST and the recent change of UTC offset for MSK time zone. I don't know whether non-pytz solutions work on Windows.
You can't do it with standard library. Using pytz module, you can convert any naive/aware datetime object to any other time zone. Let's see some examples using Python 3. Naive objects created through class method UTNO. To convert a naive object to any other time zone, first you have to convert it into a aware datetime object. You can use the replace method for converting a naive datetime object to an aware datetime object. Then to convert an aware datetime object to any other time zone, you can use a timezone method. The variable pytz.all_timezones gives you the list of all available time zones in pytz module. Naive objects created through class method now. Because now method returns current date and time, so you have to make the datetime object time zone aware first. The localize function converts a naive datetime object into a time zone aware datetime object. Then you can use the timezone method to convert it into another time zone.
Building on Alexei's comment, this should work for DST too.
Se você mudar, please consider locking as a